Did you know that in the first quarter of 2024, global stock markets plummeted by over 30%? Yeah, you heard that right. Are you prepared for what this means for your investments? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been shaking the financial world, the global stock market crash of 2024. This isn't just some big headline, it's a significant event that could impact everyday investors like you and me. So, let's break it all down. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, so what led to this massive crash? First off, we've got some troubling economic indicators. Inflation rates have soared, and central banks around the world are struggling to keep things in check. Then, there are geopolitical tensions, think trade wars and conflicts that are brewing in various parts of the globe. These factors combined have created a storm that no investor saw coming. And on top of that, investor sentiment is at an all-time low, with panic selling becoming the norm. It's a perfect recipe for disaster, and that's exactly what we witnessed. Exploration/development. Let's dig a little deeper into these factors. The inflation issue is like a double-edged sword. It's squeezing consumers and making it harder for businesses to operate profitably. Many folks are tightening their belts, which means less spending and lower profits for companies. Now, on the geopolitical front, we've seen rising tensions between major economies, and that's got investors on edge. When countries are at odds, markets react, and the uncertainty can lead to drastic sell-offs. And let's not forget about investor sentiment. When fear takes hold, it spreads like wildfire. We saw big names in the investment world pull back, and the media was all over it, creating a feedback loop that only intensified the decline. Climax/key moment. Now, let's talk about the moment everything went south. It was a single day in late March when the markets took a nosedive, dropping more than 10% in just a few hours. Major investors like hedge funds and institutional players scrambled to adjust their portfolios. The media couldn't get enough of it, painting a dire picture of a market on the brink of collapse. It was chaos. Headlines screamed about the end of the bull run, and social media was flooded with panic from everyday investors. This was the moment that truly defined the crash and left many wondering if we'd ever recover. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, we've explored the key factors that led to the global stock market crash of 2024. From economic indicators to geopolitical tensions and the resulting investor panic, it's been a wild ride. Understanding these dynamics is crucial, especially as we look to the future and prepare for what might come next. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the current state of the markets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for ways to navigate these turbulent times, check out my previous video on investment strategies during market downturns. Don't miss it.